All right, here's a question. Do you keep your old laptops or store your old, outdated cell phones?
Well, you might be tech hoarding. Fox 19's Jackie Jing tells us more about this growing problem.
Google tech hoarding and dozens of websites pop up. More and more people are doing it. Somewhere in the house, storing that old phone, old computer, old iPad. If you have this problem, don't worry, you are not alone, and you do have some options. Kindles, gaming systems, boom boxes, 15 iPods, dozens of DVDs, hundreds of CDs. Oh yeah, and a record player. No, this is not the electronics section of a pawn shop. It's Chibong Ang's North College Hill home. Getting around the house, is it difficult, or do you?
Not at all, because they're stacked in a corner, and I have a very big house.
So looking around your house, you don't mind that it's just filled with this stuff? You don't mind it?
No, I don't. No. When I have guests over, they say, "Wow, this is like being in a record store."
Chibong is not alone, though. Addiction specialist Dr. Christopher Toole says many hang on to old devices.
They might contain, information about my past, about my life, about my history.
So PCs pile up at home for security reasons. But tech expert Dave Hatter says you can kick that aging computer to the curb. Get help or software to clear off that data on those decrepit devices.
It won't cost much, and that way you can ensure that your contacts, your bank account information, your credit cards and that thing aren't out there in the wild somewhere.
If you don't want to clear out your clutter, Dr. Toole says you need to decide if your collection is healthy or hurtful, and seek help if you do have a problem. Chibong, though, says that's not the case for him.
What do you say to people who are like, you are a hoarder, there's a bunch of stuff in here?
No, well, maybe I'm a hoarder, but when it comes to music and electronics, to me, I don't know. I'm just fascinated, that's all. And it's hard. Yeah, I love it.
So Chibong isn't getting rid of his gadgets, but if you want to donate, sell, or trash your old devices, make sure that you do it properly. Next week, we'll show you what can happen if you give this old iPad away and don't clear off the old info. Jackie Jing, Fox 19, Balanced News.